Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the color of an object in a picture in Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to change the color of an object in a picture. Firstly, we have to open or insert a picture in this document. We go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then choose the picture on our file format. Now I choose the picture and insert it. Now we can see here we inserted a picture. Now we want to change the color of an object in this picture. Click the picture and go to the format menu. Then we can see here many options. Now we find and choose the color option. Now we can see here many color. We choose the any color of this color. Now we can see here we change the object color very easily. Now we can see here we change the color of an object color in a picture. Now we resize the picture small and biggest, or move the picture. Click the picture and click the warp text option and choose in front of text. Then we move the picture or apply some another effect like picture border, picture effect, picture layout and picture styles, etc. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.